development and the topic of R = world. What is development? Development simply means positive change that makes things better. And to do this, we look at two things: standard of living, an economic measure, and quality of life, a social measure. There are four factors that we need to understand and look at, and those are political, social, economic, and environmental as well. Okay? And we need to understand the differences between the HICs and the LICs, are high income and low income countries, the standard of living and the quality of life in those different countries. Those differences, the gap, is called the development gap. One of the ways that we do this, that we measure development, we look at an economic measure like GNI per capita, gross national income. How much money does a country make per person? Okay, so we can see countries like the United States, countries in Europe, they make a lot of money per person, they're going to be HICs. Whereas countries in Africa, they have a low income per person, so they're going to be poorer. We can also look at something called the Human Development Index, HDI. That is a composite indicator that measures three different measurements called GNI per capita, life expectancy, and the literacy rate, and gives you a score between 0 and 1 to show how developed your country is. So the dark countries, United States, UK, Norway, very highly developed. We also have this proportional map here that shows us the number of people living in absolute poverty across the world. So countries like India in Asia and lots of countries in Africa, we can see they're really large. It tells us that lots of people live in poverty, compared to North America and Europe, which is virtually non-existent, full of HICs.